Hey Elevated crew, in this video we'll go over how to claim a POAP after attending an episode in Elevated Studios. First off, go to your Metamask app and copy your Ethereum address that appears under your account name by simply clicking the address itself. Next, open the link that we messaged you after the show. From there, simply paste your Ethereum address and hit Claim POAP Token. Congrats! You've now claimed your POAP. Be sure to hang on to your POAP, as in future seasons we'll have ways to support our Day 1 fans. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Please give us a follow, subscribe, or tip on our socials at ElevatedXR. Thanks, and see you next time.